It's important to notice that it's only these two type of coins that she has. Now we know the total number of coins is 180 and we have Y number of 50p coins, that is 50Y. Hello everyone, welcome to GCSE Maths exam sprint series. Here's another GCSE exam style question. This is a relatively easy question, but a question that sometimes students make mistakes on. So please pause the video and give this a try. Here's the answer. Maya has a money tin that contains only 20p and 50p coins. Now it's important to notice that it's only these two type of coins that she has. There are 180 coins in the tin and their total value is £54. Now we do not know the number of 20p coins or 50p coins. So we have to obviously take them as some unknowns. Let's call them X and Y. Now we know the total number of coins is 180, but obviously the total number of coins is X and Y. So I can get my first equation, X and Y is equal to 180. And the total value is £54. Now we have X number of 20p coins, that will be 20X. And we have Y number of 50p coins, that is 50Y. Now these are both in pence, so obviously I have to convert £54 to pence by multiplying by 100. So that's 5,400p. That's my second equation. Now for most students, the problem is they don't realize that this is simultaneous equations. Now from this point onwards, it's just a matter of solving it. Now there are a few different ways of doing this, but I'm just going to multiply the first equation every term by 20. So I get 20x plus 20y is equal to 3600. This is my new equation 1. Now I can see they both have 20x as the same term and they both are positive, so it's the same sign. So when it's the same sign, obviously you take them away. So 20x take away 20x is nothing. 50y take away 20y gives me 30y. 5400 take away 3600 gives me 1800. Divide both sides by 30, cross them out. So I can see y is 60. Now I'm going to substitute the value of y in the original equation 1, which is x and y equals 180. So obviously the value of x is 120. Now the question is, find the number of 20p coins and the number of 50p coins. So the number of 20p coins is x, which is 120, and the number of 50p coins is y, which is 60. We can check if this question was right by substituting the values. Now we know x is 120 and y is 60. Now let's multiply this and see 20p times 120. That's 2,400 pence. 50p times 60 coins gives me 3,000 pence. If you add them up, you get 5,400 pence. In other words, this is £54. So we know that is what the question gave us initially. So definitely we got this one right.